Title: Gradient, the art of gradual change. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word gradient. A gradient refers to a gradual change in a physical property, such as color, temperature, or elevation, over a certain distance. It signifies the beauty of subtle transitions in our world. Pronunciation. Pronouncing gradient is straightforward, ʻɡreɪ.di.ənt, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, the gradient of the sunset sky shifted from deep orange to soft pink, creating a breathtaking visual spectacle. Importance. Gradients are an essential aspect of nature and design, adding depth, dimension, and beauty to the world around us. Conclusion. In summary, gradient is a word that represents the art of gradual change and the aesthetic appeal it brings to our surroundings. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the subtleties and beauty of gradients in our world.